In this video today, I want to give a summary conclusion of introduction of Kobo Publishing. Kobo Publishing is also a publishing site for authors. So before I dive into that, I just want you to do me a favor. If you are new to this channel, I just need you to tap the subscription button and also type the icon button so that you get notified whenever I post a video, and also give this video a thumbs up. So let's get started. I don't want this video to be too long. So what is Kobo publishing? So, in my own definition and how I see Kobo, okay, Kobo is an e-commerce bookstore that authors publish ebooks and audiobooks to earn royalties or make money. Yeah, the only Kobo only accept ebooks and audiobooks. You know that on KDP, that's Amazon, you can publish ebooks, audiobooks, paperback, and also hardcover. But on Kobo, you only publish ebooks and audiobooks, and also you earn royalties on the platform. So let's go over to another stage. Okay, so this is the advantage for Kobo. This is advantage of publishing on Kobo, and also we have the disadvantage of publishing on Kobo. So number one advantage of publishing on Kobo is broad international sales. So this one is talking about your book will go viral. Like a lot of people around the world can buy your book. Also on Amazon, Amazon will distribute your book to everywhere around the world, depending on the zone you put it. Okay, but if you put it on zone of all countries, everybody around the world can get your book and buy your book. So this is one of the advantage. The second advantage is 70% royalties. Why I love Kobo so much is that Kobo will give you 70% of your royalties. Let's assume that you price a book like 3 point something dollars on Kobo. Kobo will give you 2 point something dollar. That's very, very interesting. So this is one of the this is the second advantage of publishing on Kobo. So another thing is that Kobo is also free to publish. Yes, you can publish free on Kobo. You don't have to pay money to publish on Kobo. No, on Amazon you also publish free, and also on Kobo you publish for free. So this is the disadvantage now. Sells only ebook and audiobooks. Yes, Kobo only sells ebook and audiobook. As I have said before, on Amazon you can publish ebooks, audiobooks, hardcover, and paperback. But on Kobo, you only sells ebook and audiobooks. Number two, not big as KDP. Yes, it is a small store. It's not that large as KDP, but the why I love this site is that you can also make money. Okay, so this is just the two disadvantage I know about Kobo. So let's go over to another thing we have. Okay, we have um what you need for Kobo. Okay, so these are things you need before you can start publishing books on Kobo. Number one, you have to set up an account. Yes, when setting up an account, you need a bank account info. This is a US account. That's what you need. You need a US account. You need your router number. You need your account number. You need your address. You need your bank name. Also need your bank number. So these are the things you need for Kobo. Tax ID. The tax ID is your government verification number. That's they call it SSN, some call it name. So you need it so that your payment will be tracked if you didn't receive your payment. So this is the essence of this tax ID. So what you need to publish your book. Okay, these are the requirements, the things you need before you can start publishing on Kobo. So your manuscript. Your manuscript is very, very important. This is the main book. You have to format it professionally so that when people click to see it and they see that your book is well formatted, they can access and they can buy. They can click the buy order and they can buy your books. Okay, so make sure that your manuscript is well formatted and is formatted professionally. So the second thing you need is your book cover. You must make your book cover to be very, very attractive, because on Kobo your book cover determine whether you make sales or not. Okay, people judge your book by your cover. Okay, so make sure that your cover is very stunning, very exquisite, and very attractive. So the unique details. So these details are your title, your subtitle, your author name, and others. These others can be your book description, your pricing, and also your category. So why I love this Kobo publishing site is that you don't have to make use of backend keywords. You can notice that on Amazon, that's KDP, if you want to publish books, you must put in 7 backing keywords, and most people don't have the time to start start looking for profitable keywords they can use for their books. But for Kobo, you don't need this back seven backing keyword. You just need your category. Okay. But you should note this, that when you are making use of Kobo, your description must also contain your book description must also contain good keywords so that your book will be found in the store. So before I forget, I want to say something very important. So most people will ask me this question. Please, on Amazon there are niche, and on Kobo, is there niche on Kobo? Yes, there is also niche on Kobo. So listen to this. All niches sells well. All niche sells well on Kobo when you do your research well. But niche that are popular, people can dive into are. So these are the popular niche you can dive into. Evergreen model. So this evergreen model, most people, like especially Chinese people and Spanish people, they normally buy evergreen model very well. So this is the best way, like you can make enough money for yourself. For example, let me say you publish a book on Kobo, oh sorry, on Amazon KDP, and your book is making a lot of sales. You can also convert it to another, okay, another language, maybe German language or French, and publish it on Amazon too. This implies also on Kobo. You can convert that your English manuscript to another language, and you will also make money from the business, from the same book, okay? And Kobo will not query you for that or terminate your account for that. So it is free. And Chinese and Spanish are the most marketplace I know that you can sell your evergreen very, very well. Okay. So you should take advantage of this. You can also publish health books, romance book, and business books. So these are the conclusion introduction of Kobo publishing. There is no much thing about Kobo publishing. So if you are here and you're watching this video, I need you to do something again. Make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching this video.